Oh man, she shut off. Here we go. What is up? I'm back. And today I don't know what the heck we're gonna do. We're just gonna ride, like always. Whoa! She slid! She wasn't ready! Whoa! A little breezy out here today. So yeah. We are back just riding around. My little brother is nowhere in sight. There he is. Oh, guess we gotta start it. I gotta start that. Why did it shut off again? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. The little pit bike got us to get started up. My God, it's not staying running again.
Put it sideways.
I don't know.
Put it sideways.
You take it.
Put it sideways.
I don't know what you mean by put it sideways. Well, it won't start. Mine will though. Oh, it's still water down here. Yeah. Let's see what we can do here. Can't do anything. So, subject for today is Pennsylvania, I guess. Pennsylvania, my home state, and very good state. It's got forest. Unfortunately, has no desert, but it is my home state, so I gotta love it in a way. And yeah, that's another place I want to move to. Whoa, that was a crazy wheelie. So yeah, but Pennsylvania is a really cool place. I mean, it's not bad at all, and that's my home state, like I said. But really fun to be able to ride around now and have a GoPro. But yeah. I feel like for some reason California is just a little too expensive. I mean, not saying I'm not going to go there, but I just feel it's a little too expensive. That's just my opinion. I mean, I really want to go to California, but I just feel that I don't really have the money to do that, you know? Like, yeah, California is really cool, but I mean, I've been told by a lot of people that it's really expensive. So I want to be able to go somewhere that's not too expensive, you know? Because I don't want to be spending a lot of money. But I want to be somewhere where I can be happy. And that's Pennsylvania and California that makes me happy. yeah. Here on the East Coast, we got a lot of mud. I mean, no sand, it's just mud. Well, of course we have sand at the beach. That's the only place we have sand. But, I mean, just look at this. Pure mud. I love riding on it, but after a while it just gets a little tiring, you know? Just ready for something different. But in Pennsylvania, the mud there isn't really mud. It's more like sand. Because it's really thin. I don't know where the heck I'm going. Whoa, throwing me around. That's what happens when you like enduro. You just get thrown around by your bike. Let's try going right here. I don't think I'll make it over that. That's PVC pipe. My back tire just slide on that. And there's a tire right there. My God. Enduro is a crazy sport. Even though I'm not a professional racer, but... Oh, and that's another thing. The enduro races that I raced, they shut them down. For some reason, they're just not there anymore. And yeah, I think they moved them to a different state. But yeah, so I'm not gonna be racing any more of those because they're gone. So yeah. Oh my God. But I feel that California will be good, hopefully. So yeah. Whoop, here we go. Whoa! That was fun. Do it. Ooh, big anthill. Haha. Yeah. It's really fun. I mean, everything I see in California I want to do. So, I think that's where we're going to go. And hopefully I end up there. But if not, I'll still be happy in Pennsylvania. I mean, that's my home state. Can't be not happy there. But like I said, I'm just ready for a change. I feel I need something different. California, really nice sunset over there. Like I said, California's good. I want to go there, so I think that's where I'm gonna go. So yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. See you later.